How to log into Nowpensions account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Nowpensions account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. You can just use whichever you're comfortable with. After that, head over to the search bar and search for Nowpensions login. After you search for it, hit enter, and there you will see Nowpensions website. So you can directly head over to this login page, or you can go through the main website of Nowpensions and just tap on the login option there. So let me just tap on this, and there you will see the login option. Simply type in your username, and after you type in your username, type in your password. So I'll just type in my password and then tap on login. After you tap on login, you'll get logged in into your account. If you ever forget your username, you can reset it from here. And if you've forgotten your password, you can reset that from here as well. And if you don't have an account, you can tap on get started to create an account. And after that, come back here, type in your username and then your password, and then tap on login to log in into your account. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.